Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video of the XRP Ripple coin. So what really happened today, my friends, in a XRP Ripple coin? In this video I will share the latest update. I will share my personal prediction about XRP. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friend, in this time, if we look the latest situation of the XRP, first of all, let's see the price of the XRP in the market. 0.627486 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the XRP Ripple coin. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the changes occur in the XRP. So now you can see, my friend, that the last 1 hour change in the XRP is negative. The last 1 day change occur in the XRP is also negative. But my friends, you know what, the previous changes occur in the XRP is positive. So personally, I'm feeling good about XRP Ripple coin due to the previous positive changes. And you know what, my friends, my personal prediction about XRP is that possibilities, my friends, that the upcoming 2 hour 3 hour the price change of the XRP will become positive and we get a huge amount of profit from XRP. Possibilities, my friends, that in the coming 2 hour 3 hour the price change will become positive. Why I'm telling you that possibility that the price change will become positive and the upcoming hour? Because, my friends, you know what, in a nowadays, my friends, the whole cryptocurrency's price change is positive mode. Every coin is now in a positive mode. Why they are in the positive mode, my friends? Because in the ending of month, due to the ending of month, the price change is positive, my friends. And possibilities, my friends, that the XRP prices will become positive in the upcoming 2 hour 3 hour. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about XRP Ripple coin, and how do you feel today about XRP Ripple coin? Good or bad? Tell me in a comment box, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more updates and news videos.